Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So today andito kami sa amenities ng shore. So ayun, papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. So let's go first. Ayan, may naglalaro siya. So, here's the playground. This is for kids. Ayan, that's for kids. Yeah. Hi, Layan! Okay, here's the pool. There we stay on the 19th floor, on the rooftop, on the last floor. There we stay. Okay, let's go. Let's take a tour. So maraming naglalaro. Asa na sila? Ayan. The swimming pool. You see people here are playing badminton. They can play badminton. Some can swim. And where we stay there upstairs. Okay, ayan. So I showed you already. So as you can see, let's go there sa Pikas ba? Dito atong i-continue na to ba? I-continue na ako. So ayan guys, I'm showing you the amenities of shore, which is very big. I think it's the same. There is the same. Like that. Nagba-vlog kasi ako, kuya. Yan. It's the same, they said. So, we're gonna take a walk here. You see, guys. If you want to play, you can play here. If you want. Here is the soft. Look at that. It's soft. The floor is soft. Okay, ayan siya. So, you see already the amenities. I turn you around. Okay. At least you see it. They're playing badminton. Yes. There you are. It's already done. That's the amenities here in Shore. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. This is Miss Babylyn Lopez Gonzalez. Thanks for watching. Bye!